when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Hey guys, you're behind the scenes right now. We're doing a piece with brown, black, and white as our dyes right here. I'm just making a sample because I'm going out to Michigan and I'm going to do this in a 140 square foot space. So I'm going to give them some options. Here's two that I've already created using these colors, and I'm just going to make another one. I'm going to make it similar to this without the fractures. You ready, set, go. All right, I got brown, I got black, and I got white, and this is how easy it is. Add a little bit more brown to some of this, just get it more light here, so I have some definite change. That's fun to do just by intermixing colors in the cups and then just stirring it a hair and then pouring it out. Then I'm just going to take my trowel and I'm just going to skip this out. Question of the day. If you were the customer, which one of these earth tones would you choose? Would you choose option number 1, option number 2, or option number 3? Let us know in the comments below.
Hey guys, you're going to want to stick to the end of this video. Our customer wanted to see both glossy and matte finish. So we're going to show you just how easy it is to make epoxy beautiful with a matte finish method.
We're going to match this on this using this. Let's get started. Gold dust.
Our customer out in Michigan sent us a sample of silestone they wanted us to match. It's very important to get a color recipe approved by your customer before pouring epoxy on a 200 square foot job. We wanted to show multiple different styles that match the same color scheme. Mark and his wife also couldn't decide on keeping the glossy finish or going with a honed matte finish. Question of the day: which sample did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, crush that like button. Click the link in the description below. That's gonna take you to the video and see which color recipe this customer chose. And we're gonna show you how to prep like a pro, show you how to pour this entire project on site, 200 plus square feet. Click that link, that video is epic. Check it out.